Unhygienic drinking water served to polling officials in the Maha South district. A very good morning to one and all who is watching the news right now. You're visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In the report that has come from Haflong, allegation of unhygienic drinking water being served to polling officials at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Haflong in the Maha South district has created immense anger, disappointment and worries among officials who have been campaigning for their poll duty. The Food Management Branch of the Election Department says that the water is supplied by the PHE, while the polling officials allege that the water is of rainwater as heavy downpour was seen in the district since Tuesday morning and the water provided to them was greenish. The election department is serving only vegetarian food except egg curry to the polling officials fearing diarrhea, but is providing unhygienic and undrinkable water. While some have been drinking the water, some says that food being served is not good, but is considerable but could not compromise with the quality of water being served, so they have to buy packaged drinking water from their own pocket for the sake of health.
ভাত খোৱা ঠাইত এই বৰষুণৰ পানী দিছে আৰু কি কম হ্যাঁ ভাল পানী দিয়া নাই এনেকা পানী মানুহে খাব পাৰে নেকি খোৱাটো দালি ডিম আৰু চব্জি এইটো কাক সুধিম তেনেকৈ হ'ব কি আৰু ভাল পাওঁ আৰু ভাল হ'ব
আমি মাহৰৰ ওচৰতে পানী দিছে 14 লিটাৰমান আমি পলিং পাৰ্চনেল 4জন আৰু 2জন পুলিচ পাৰ্চনেল 14 লিটাৰ পানী এজন মানুহৰ তো 4 লিটাৰ পানী লাগিব 2 দিনৰ কাৰণে 6জনে 24 লিটাৰ পানী লাগিব মিনিমাম আমাক যেনেকৈ এলটমেণ্ট কৰিছে তাৰ ওপৰতে আমি আছোঁ যদি দিয়ে তেনেহ'লে লৈ ল'ম পানীটো লাগিব পানী এচেঞ্চিয়েল পানী এচেঞ্চিয়েল বস্তু পানীটো লাগিব আমাক ৰেমুনাৰেশ্যনো কম দিছে ৰেমুনাৰেশ্যন মানে আমি পলিং 1 2 3 800 কে দিছে আৰু পিছদিনে 1100 পাইছে যোৱা বছৰত 1400 কিমান পাইছোঁ মানে পাহৰিলোঁ এই বছৰ কম হৈছে আৰু বাঢ়িব লাগিছিলে কমিছে আৰু
Besides this, the poll officials who are being sent to far-flung places inside the district are also not allotted sufficient drinking water. On Tuesday, polling officials of 101 polling stations departed to their respective destination. However, sources say that they were allotted only 18 liters of packaged drinking water to 6 persons for 3 days. That is, 1 liter for each person a day. On Wednesday, a day ahead of the polling day, officials for 145 polling stations have also departed to their destination and were allotted 18 liters of packaged drinking water to 6 persons for 2 days. But the official says that the remunerations they are allotted is lesser than they had received in the last election.
এইটো পানী কি নাজানো মই এতিয়া আহিছোঁ কিন্তু এখেতে কোনোবাই কৈছে বৰষুণৰ পানী বুলি কিন্তু মই ঠিক ধৰিব পৰা নাই সেইটো নাজানো মই মানে বেমাৰ হ'ব অসুখ হ'ব কাহ চৰ্দি হৈ আছে আৰু হ'ব বেছি হ'ব তেতিয়াহ'লে মাছ মাংস নিদিয়াকৈ বৰষুণৰ পানী খুৱাইছোঁ চিন্তা কৰক আপোনালোকে চিন্তা কৰক খোৱাটো সিমান এটা ভাল পোৱা নাই
পানীটো PHCৰ পৰা অহা পানী আমি দি আছোঁ PHA টেংকাৰ পানী আমাক আনি দিছে সেই পানী আমি বেৰেলত ভৰাই দি আছোঁ আপোনাৰ এভিডেঞ্চ আছে যদি আপুনি দিয়ক কোৱাৰ আগতে আপুনি কোৱাৰ আগতে এভিডেঞ্চ দিয়ক যে বৰষুণৰ পানী আমি দিছোঁ বুলি নাই আপুনি কৈছে ভালেই কথা আপুনি আমাক লগে লগে ধৰাই দিয়ক আমিতো ভালেই পাম হা এইটো PHA পানীটো আমাক আনি দিছে তেওঁলোকে কৈছে আধা PHA পানী আনি আমাক পানীৰ দায়িত্ব হ'ল PHA পানী আমাক আনি দিছে আমি খুৱাইছোঁ হয়তো সঁচা কথা নাই খোৱা পানীত আমি PHA পানী দি আছোঁ যিহেতু কাণ চব বন্ধ হৈ আছে এইটো পানী
নাম লৈ লওক শংকৰ বৰ্মন আহি কিনি PHA পানী ইয়াতে দি গৈছে পুৰা গাড়ীখনত এটা গাড়ী আহিছে ইয়াতে আপুনি তো এতিয়া আহিছে যেতিয়া গাড়ী আহিলে এক গাড়ী পানী আহিছে আনলোড কৰি গৈছে আপুনি দেখা নাই আপুনি আৰু আজি লৈ গৈছোঁ চাপ্লাই পানীও দিব পৰা নাই আৰে পানী গৈছোঁ নাই তাতে
Dima Hasao will go for poll on 1st of April, that is in the second phase, and all polling officials for 246 polling stations have left for their respective destination amid tight security. 4 candidates are in the fray for 16 Haflong ST LAC seat, namely Nandita Gorosa for BJP, Nirmal Langthasa for INC, Khandan Daulagupu for BTP, and Longki Inghi for Janata Dal United. Meanwhile, Dima Hasao District Administration had taken measures for free and fair polls. Altogether, 1,800 CAPF personnel have been deployed across the district for security purpose. Polling will start at 7 a.m. and end at 3 p.m. today. As per data issued on 18 January, the total electors as per the final publications of electoral roll in the district for 2021 is 1,46,183, out of which 73,463 are male voters and 72,720 are female, while percentage of increase of electors is 2.55%. Out of the total numbers of voters in the district, 4,386 electors falls under the 18 and 19 years age group and 1,756 are above 80 years. Suraj Burman's report from Haflong, Karbin Long Live. In another fire accident in the Hill districts, one house was burned down to ash by fire late on Tuesday evening in Sarthi Tokbi village inside the Nilip MSC constituency. The village is located around 1 kilometer away from the Nilip block under the Chokihola police station. Our correspondent has sent us this report. According to the affected family, the fire accident occurred at around 8 p.m. on Tuesday when the owner were out of his house to attend election campaign meeting, while the wife was in Sarihuti to get her voter ID for the elections to be held on Thursday. Following this, all of the properties of the family were totally destroyed, including stock rice paddy, rice grain, cash money saved for children's admission, all important documents and also voter IDs of all family members. Affected head of the family, Arun Kiling, told Karbin Live that the source of the fire was electric short circuit. Left with nothing, the affected family members have urged upon the elected representative and all well wishes for their assistance as they now have no food, drinking water, clothes, place to stay and other basic needs and felt totally helpless. Arun Kiling and his wife Charni Bepi have urged upon KAACCM Duliram Ronghang and local MEC Pabitra Rongpi for their assistance to help them get back to their feet.
Alang li kunat tong adam juni labangan nilita jindu pameme la so pi alang li hem karen pen ajok labang so hem ni chu igdelo
ni ta meeting dun jo mat chin ni delo ni dak hem pen ke dam ke pas badi se dam ki ni la dana chili tung ke bang ni pamet dun ni tang pamet ni long ni la dana chili ko bang ke bang ni pamet ke tang ko wan ni na chili
hem ke chu bang ke ajuma
ajo
kono polom ni di
or bang sari ata lom akor ko bang
Meanwhile, on hearing of the tragic fire accident, KLNLF leader Songja Timung reached out to the affected family members and provided some assistance to the family to help them cope for the moment. Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. Our Karbi Anglong Live correspondents from Dan Arong and Dong Mukak had on Wednesday jointly paid a visit to the house of Simon Lekte, a man who had been engaged with the making of Karbi traditional drums. Here is a report of the visit. Simon Lekte is the headman of Oro village located under Mahamaya constituency of Karbi Anglong. He is the eldest son of Makas Lekte and Dimi Rongparpi. Simon assumed the charge of headman after the demise of his father. He makes his living by keeping a small shop. It was in 2015 when, in order to kill the boredom of sitting idle at his shop, he began trying his hands at craft. He began making the chengpi and chengso and chengburuk, or the Karbi traditional drums. Since then, he never looked back and people started appreciating his works.
Nili kerot la kisoy keret kacerli ke nili la ningkan pone dolo nili kisoy keret la so kam tempo.
Oh.
Mane nili pasko la pusong lo mane nili panta bang rongasar punang par lo mate nang tanang hem so cingi corang ke donai ko po lamang ko masi.
Oh, acha.
La supen masi nili bor ilo mat cingi bang ke nili so lo pinangan ke pinangan lagi ma ke pali lo nili punai cingi.
Oh, nanti la Choro lo mate la isi
la isi lo que ni sabe nang la isi que lo que
isi na cho ante la justamente copia rong lo que nang jige
la que phang ating pisi aning nang po
phang vek nang po phang kali polote belega thing pike no
en me tame la phang bang ke hang teng hang hello pen ki soy bang ka soy mesen
di la que arak vek nang jima
arak mane la que phang bohor mu bang ke arak ring puta la que isi pudam bate ni no ne
en mil oh ante la que la isi arak si NC nang li ke kirot ke soy mane ar ke thing pi ar ke mane ki pipen ke plak pen kon nei adowi
la isi no que ni como tata
la ledar que lo gai adowi o
pen kini lo que pakring nang ko
pakring ni kon nei
pakring ke ni thom ni ki bang nei
di
Simon told that the prices of his chengpi range from rupees 10,000 to 18,000 per pair, depending on the size, while he sells the chengburuk at rupees 3,000 per pair. He told that local public knows him more as a Huiding or Jiroi as per his profession. It is people like Simon who are playing a big role in keeping the tradition of Karbi craft secure. His efforts to make drums so that people could have no shortage of them are praiseworthy. Anyone who wishes to purchase a drum from him can contact him in the number 602-686-2563. Bikram Teron from Danarong, along with Samsing Ingti from Dong Mukak, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have it as for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.